Hello, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, since last week I'm unable to upload a video on YouTube due to my busy office schedule, and that time I have already posted many vacancies on Instagram and Telegram. So I'm requesting you to do follow us on Instagram and Telegram as well. So you can find our Instagram and Telegram link in description below. Please check it out. So many times I didn't get time. That time I just take a screenshot particular opening and just posted on the Telegram and Instagram. So do follow us on Instagram for more job updates. Uh, and one more important thing, guys, we have already started resume building services since last 2 weeks. I have delivered around 30 plus emails and 30 plus resumes to our subscribers since last week. That's why I didn't get time to shoot a particular video. So if you want to build your resume, just ping me on this ping me on this WhatsApp number. So I'm requesting, guys, just those who want to build their resume, only those people need to ping me on his WhatsApp. Okay. But rest of things you can find on the our channel regarding project, regarding your queries, regarding recession, all that things you can find details on our YouTube channel. So I'm requesting you just ping me those who want to build their resume from me, and it will be the paid service. For more details you can check the previous video how the procedure it is. So today I am going to share some openings with you. Most of freshers and some of 2-3 companies are for experienced candidates as well. So let's get started with the company names and how to apply, what will the subject line. So listen carefully, do not skip the video. So let's start with the company name. The first company name is Code Visa. They are hiring for permanent work from home opportunity for manual testing and freelancing. It may be a small industry or freelancing. So this is position for manual testing. Company name Code Visa. Role freelance manual QA engineer. Skills manual testing. You should know everything about this manual testing. Experience they are expecting 1.5 years. Job location will be remote. It's a permanent work from home. So benefits, it's around 35 hours work you need to do per a week. 100% remote from your site. You will get paid every month. Okay. If you are interested and eligible for this position, you need to share your resume on jobs at codevisa.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Let's move on the next company. They are company name is Adco. Adco is hiring for machine learning engineer. Experience, they are expecting a freshers to 2 years candidates. Job location will be Hyderabad, and they are expecting hands-on experience on image processing. Computer vision is mandatory. So knowledge of frameworks such as Keras and TransFlow, should be comfortable working with on GPU. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your resume on gentla.vijaydurga@adco.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, just check the letter by letter spelling on the screens, so it will be help to avoid your email bounce back. Okay. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Benchmark IT Solutions. They are hiring for quality assurance engineer. Job designation is quality assurance engineer. So job designation is very important, guys, while you sending the resume to the recruiter, and it should be mentioned in your subject line. So qualification, they are expecting any bachelor degree they are expecting. Experience, freshers, and job location will be pan India. Okay. They have not mentioned a particular city or thing name, so they have just mentioned the pan India. If you are interested and fulfill and eligible this position, so you need to apply on the link which is given in the description below. Please check out the link in description below and apply accordingly. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Amplelogic Technologies. They are hiring for a Java developer for Hyderabad location. Looking for the freshers with the knowledge of core Java, JavaScript, Angular, Spring Boot, Docker, Jenkins, multi-threading and design patterns. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your resume on preeti.g@amplelogic.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The company name is Quist. They are hiring for a freshers quality engineer. The role name is quality engineer, and it should be mentioned in your subject line while you sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, experience they're expecting 0 to 1 year of experience, means freshers also can apply over here. And if you are interested and eligible for this position, you need to apply over the link which is given in the description below. So please check out the link in description below and apply accordingly. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Indium is hiring for freshers for a game tester, game testing role. Job location will be Bangalore. Experience they are expecting freshers with excellent communication skill. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, if you have excellent communication skill, if you have something about knowledge about game testing and everything, so you need to apply or you need to share your profile on ranit.hazara@indesoft.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, if you want to build your resume from me, so you need to reach on this WhatsApp number which is showing on the screen, and it will be the paid. Okay, for all the details for paid services, you can check our previous video, or I can give the link in description below about that particular video. You can check the video and ping me on Instagram. Okay, ping me on Instagram as well and WhatsApp as well. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Synchronous Technologies. They are hiring for test engineer role. The job location will be Hyderabad. Qualification they are expecting any bachelor degree. Salary budget will be 3.6 LPA max. Responsibilities, or they are some expecting test case design, bug reporting, automation testing, test execution, quality assurance. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on satisha.syncolviz.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Pixart Technologies. They are hiring for testing in freshers, for fresher candidates, those who have the knowledge in manual testing. So job role will be a manual test engineer. So a job working from office. The job location will be Bangalore, and if you are interested and eligible for this position, you need to share your profile on hr@pixart.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Unstop. Unstop, they are looking for quality assurance QA tester. So qualification B or BTech. Experience they are expecting 1 to 5 years. Job location will be Delhi. Looking for the QA testers who have the responsible for designing test plans, coordination with the technology team to debug code, rectifying the errors, and troubleshoot any issue related to the software code or any product. Okay, if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to apply over the link which is given in the description below. Please check out the description and apply accordingly. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Henswigate Technologies. They are hiring for QA test enter. This position is for internship. So work mode will be the work from office. Duration 6 months to 12 months. If you are interested and eligible for this position, and if you want to do the internship, so you need to share your profile on this email ID which is showing on the screen. Okay, and the job role, job location will be Pan India. They have not disclosed the exact location, so you need to share the profile on the given in email ID. So that's it, guys. I already told around 9 to 10 companies openings. I will try to post more and more openings on YouTube, Instagram, and Telegram. So do follow us on 3 social media platforms. Many times I didn't get time to shoot a particular video, so I just take a screenshot or post it on Instagram and Telegram. So do follow us. The Instagram and Telegram link you can find in the description below, or my Instagram ID you can see over here. So if you have any doubt, if you have any issue while applying the job, you can reach me on Instagram. My Instagram ID you can see here, else you can find my Instagram profile in the description below. So thank you so much guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.